Hello everybody, I'll be teaching you the code I used to make this top-down shooter game in Scratch. So, as you can see, I'm this tank. The game is called the Tank Game, so it's kind of fitting. So we're this tank, we can rotate around, we can shoot bullets. So, today, I'll handle player movement. But overall, the game, it has everything, has zombies, has health, has waves. It has also a boss battle. At wave 5, there's a boss battle. So I will show that to you. But okay, now let's get coding. So I have this I have this shooter tutorial, and I just created this tank sprite. Um, let's try to resize it a bit. But I made this tank sprite, and it's just a tank. Honestly, I tried to copy from my other game, and it is kind of good. And then I went to when flag clicked, I set size to 50 because if I did 100, it was just pretty big. So I just set it to 50. You can make the size whatever you want. I mean, it doesn't matter. I'll actually think of small. There we go. So in this video, I'll be handling player movement, and maybe possibly shooting bullets. I don't know, probably not, but definitely player movement. So let's get a Trevor loop, and let's go ahead and go to. Let's not in the forever loop. Let's make sure that we go to y0, but maybe x negative 100. Try this. Yes. So, seems like a pretty good position. Let's get 4 if statements out. And you can do the movement however you like, but I'm making a tank game. And like this, I don't want it to be all like wonky, and I just want it to be like standardized to like what a tank would be. So, I am just probably gonna do the same thing. So let's do key up arrow press. Instead of change X, let's go ahead and go to move steps. Insta 5. Now duplicate this and duplicate this. Change this to down arrow and change this to negative 5. Now let's go ahead and key. Let's go right arrow press. Now instead of moving up and down, left to right, I'm gonna do up, down, and then using the arrow keys you can rotate. That's all I'll do. You can do the movement however you like. I mean, it doesn't give the game that much uh, difference. That's fine. Okay, here. So keep right arrow press. I'll turn clockwise maybe 6 degrees. And then this one, left arrow key press, then we'll do 6 counterclockwise. Let's try this. And as you can see, we can now move the tank in various different ways. And yeah, that should be it for now. So now I guess we should create our scripts for shooting. I'll create the bullet sprite after, but let's go ahead and before that, I just want the game to have a background, so go ahead and just make the game have a background. I'll make it green background. Oh, that hurts my eye. And this is like the same background I use. The red is looking pretty dark. I'm just gonna edit the colors a little bit. Gonna make it brighter, more vibrant. Okay, great. Now let's go back and so what I want to do is let's do this an if statement, and let's do key space press or mouse down, whichever button you want to for shooting the bullet. And let's now create our bullet sprite. So what I did for my tank game is I just made a circle. So I guess that's what I do. I'll do. It's a gray circle, dark gray circle with like a pretty, it's like a pretty thick outline, kind of like that. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's pretty much replica. So we have our bullet. Let's just probably make it a little bit bigger, maybe. Then maybe make the outline bigger. That's our bullet. And the when flag clicked, hide. So the reason we want to do this is because we want multiple bullets to be spawned, and we can have multiple bullets on the screen at the same time. So how we want to do it is we want to create clones, and yeah, let's just create clones. So we'll go when flag click hide, and then we'll go in here. We'll go forever. We'll check if the space is pressed. Then we will create clone of myself, and then we'll give ourselves maybe like a little, maybe like say 1 second of wait time, maybe 0.6 seconds of wait time. I don't know. Let's try this. And then we do that. And as you can see in the top here, it says clones is 1. The clone is there, but can't exactly see it. So let's go here. When I start as a clone, show. Now if we try this, we put space. And yay, he shows. Let's do another space and then another one. There's 3 clones, but they're all here. Let's go into the clone and let's go repeat until, and this is gonna keep getting longer as we go to the zombies and all that. But for now, if touching edge, if we're touching the edge, then we'll stop the script. But we just wanna move. I'd say, yeah, I think maybe 8 steps is enough. Try this. And I'd say that's good. Maybe 10. I'll do 12. 12 seems pretty fast, and I want the bullet to go pretty fast. 15. I don't know. That's way too. Yep, that's very much too fast. Let's do 16. So, um, there it is. But I mean, if I move my tank like this way, the bullets just spawn over here. So what we want to do is we just want to go here. We'll go to tank, not mouse button, definitely not mouse button, tank. And we'll also point in direction, or point towards tank. Or is it that way? I mean, get a better block. Try to find one. So yeah, I found this block. It's direction of tank. It's set to stage, so backdrop number of stage. It's gonna look uh this like this. Backdrop number of stage. You just wanna take it, tank, and then there's a direction. We will point. We'll go here. Point in direction. Let's go all the way up here. Point in direction. Direction of tank. And now if we try this. Go here. Boom. As you can see, the bullet spawns and it starts moving. And I'd say that's good. But our bullets are kind of staying here. So after the repeat until, we'll just go here and we'll say delete this clone. Now if we try this, as you can see, you can do this. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the shooting. I kind of want to make this small. It's a little bit too big still. And this down. There we go. That's much better. I like this game so far. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and stop the video because um, I kind of want to make it into episodes. I don't want to make it all in one video because it would take like 45 minutes to make the video. So I'll end off here. Next video, I'll create the zombie and how you can kill the zombie and how the zombie can kill you. But right now, I guess that is it. Make sure to like and subscribe on the video. Uh, please make sure to comment if you find any bugs or have any recommendations. And if you want me to do different games, you can still comment that down. But anyways, that should be it. Bye.